Hey guys, it's Neha. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll show you how to make Andhra style spicy egg dosa. In South India there are so many varieties of dosa and this dosa is delicious and easy to make. Let's start with the ingredients. We have rock salt here. You can also use normal salt, and we have onions, garlic and red chili. We're going to make onion chutney first. Add all the ingredients into a mixer and mix it until you get a nice smooth paste. This is how the onion chutney should look like. Now in a pan, add some oil and we're going to fry the onion chutney. The only reason we're doing this is because we can get rid of the raw smell. This step is not compulsory. If you want, you can just use the normal chutney without frying it. It's up to you. Make sure to mix the onion chutney here and there. Once the chutney is ready, we can make the dosas. So I'm using the dosa batter over here. In a pan on medium flame, pour a ladle full of batter in the center of the pan. Immediately begin to spread it evenly, starting from the center in a circular way in clockwise direction to make a thin dosa. Once the dosa is half done, you can put the onion chutney and spread it evenly across the entire dosa. You can add more chutney if necessary. Sprinkle some ghee all over the dosa so you can get a nice and crispy dosa. With this dosa, I'm going to show you how to make a normal spicy dosa, and with the next one, I'm going to put the egg in it and show you how to make an egg spicy dosa. Once it's almost done, you can fold it and let it cook for a little more time. You can also add ghee on top of this to make it even more crispy. And here we have it, the spicy dosa with the chutney. It's all done. You can now take it off the pan. Now I'm going to show you how to make the Andhra style spicy egg dosa. The first few steps are the same, so when the pan is hot enough, pour a ladle full of batter in the center of the pan and spread it evenly in a circular way. Now you're going to add some chutney once it's half cooked and spread it evenly. Now you can crack one egg into the middle and spread it evenly. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you go down below and subscribe to my channel, as well as click on the bell down below to receive notifications every time I post a new video, and I post every single week. If you like this video so far, make sure to support me by clicking the big like button. Once the dosa is half cooked, you can flip it onto the other side so the other side can also sprinkle some oil and spread it out to make the dosa even more crispy. After a minute, you can flip it to the other side and let it cook. You can now fold it, and we're almost done. Watch till the end to see how it looks on the inside. The Andhra style spicy egg dosa is now ready. You can take it off the pan and enjoy. Now I'm making another spicy dosa without the egg. Spread the batter in a circular way until you reach the edges. Once the dosa is half cooked, you can add the onion chutney and spread it evenly. Sprinkle some ghee or oil to make it even more crispy. And this dosa is now ready. You can take it off the pan and enjoy it. Now I'll show you how the dosa's turned out. So this is the egg spicy dosa. Look at how delicious it looks. And this one is the spicy dosa without the egg. Hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click on the bell down below to receive notifications every time I post a new video, and I post every single week. Bye!